Hi everyone, welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We're gonna talk about
stem
direction, continue learning about piano,
upwards, downwards.
So we're gonna go some detail about piano's learning lessons. So let's get started. So stem direction. What you know about that, Lina?
In music,
notation
for piano, stem direction
refers to
whether the stems on the notes in the staff go up or down.
So it means in the staff the notes go up or down. So we're gonna learn some rules, how it goes up and down, and how we can memorize that. So stem directions, when notes are on or below the middle line, stems usually point upwards and are placed on the right side of the note head. Okay, so here, so where is the middle line?
The
Middle line, as we know, there is the middle line here. And then what it says, stems usually point upward. So that, here you go, so it's upward, right?
Yeah, on the right side.
On the right side, that's a key word, right?
Yep.
The middle line usually points goes upward and placed on the right side. So right side and upward. So middle line, below the middle line
is pointing up,
upwards and to your right side.
And I'll play those notes.
So that's, just remember that one, Lina.
Yeah, I'm just gonna play those notes.
La 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 la.
La 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 la.
Yeah. Okay, so what will we do when it's above the middle line?
I know. What we have to do is when it's above the middle line, then you point it downwards, down,
and placed on the left side. So when notes are above the middle line of the staff, stems usually point downwards and are placed on the left side of the note head. So when it's below, it will go upward and to your right side. And when it's in the above of the middle line, it goes downwards on the left side. So that's a little bit you need to practice that, Lina. That will go and memorize in your brain. Stem directions. So when notes are on the middle line of the staff, stem can go either upwards or downwards and are placed on the left side of the note head. So what will happen? Okay, so we talk about below and above, and what will happen if it's exactly on the middle line?
Then you can do whatever.
You can do whatever, but
you could put it up
or
down. Up and down.
So chances are you can put up or down. And it goes, if you put up, then it goes
up. Down.
Where you're gonna put? Right side, right? And then down, it's gonna left side.
Yep.
So let's do some practice. The rule holds for all notes, bass clefs or treble clefs. So these rules, what we talk about, it's gonna allow for everything. It's a bass clef or treble clef. Okay. Okay. So stem directions, as you see, right hand side, and the left hand side. Stem goes up, draw right side. The stem go up, go right side, and the stem goes down, draw left side. Good? Clear about it? So now, little girl, you need some practice.
I have to send for this.
You wanna come here? Draw the stem. Let's see if Lina memorize that. If it's below, there you go. Sorry, am I bugging you? So this is a middle line. Can you draw middle line first? Middle line. Now the note is below the middle line. Lina, If notes is can you try this one first? Below the. Are you serious? Okay, next.
What?
I don't know. I think you need some practice.
This is.
If it's below the middle line,
Then it goes on the right side and it goes up.
it goes up.
Yeah, it goes up.
That's good. And then above.
It goes this way.
And when it's in the middle
I
line,
can do whatever I want.
yeah.
I don't want to do this way.
Let's see if she's right.
Okay, I did that. But this doesn't matter if it's not like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did up here. Then, I did all those down.
Yeah. Good. Good memory. Yeah. So keep practicing. What is the key, Lena?
Consistency is the key.
And practice every day.
Yeah, regular practice is key too.
Yeah.
Even 15 to 20 minutes a day can make a big difference. Practice diary. Keep a diary to track progress and practice sessions.
Very good. You all memorize everything. So thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.